Want to replace the temperature sensor of your air conditioner? With these steps, you'll have it done in no time. What do you need? A screwdriver, pliers, and a new temperature sensor. Step 1. Remove the casing. First, unscrew the screws on the front and sides. Then remove the filter from the appliance. Next, unscrew all the screws at the back. If needed, remove the water stop. Carefully lift the casing and take it off. Step 2. Remove the old temperature sensor. Unscrew the screws of the cover on the motherboard and remove the cover. Then figure out which temperature sensor you want to replace, as some air conditioners have multiple temperature sensors. Now disconnect the temperature sensor from the motherboard and take it out of the air conditioner. Step 3. Install the new temperature sensor. Reconnect the temperature sensor to the motherboard. Place the cable and temperature sensor back in the position of the old one. Then put the motherboard cover back and screw the cover screws tight again. Step 4. Put the casing back. Put the casing back on the appliance. Screw all the screws at the back, sides, and front back in. Replace the filter and reinstall the water stop if needed. You've replaced the temperature sensor and your air conditioner is ready to use again.